Hey guys, what's up? Mr. Green here, and today we're doing a new game called Katamari Damacy. We're going to be making a star, okay? I gotta turn it down. I feel like I'm yelling at you guys. So we're going to be making a star, and the way we do this is we have a ball, and we're going to be rolling around collecting items from a house. And if we collect enough items and make the ball big enough, we make a good star. So we're going to be walking or jogging in place, but we're also going to be moving our hands as if we're moving the ball. Here we go. All right. So we got some thumbtacks. Looks like we have some stamps. We just jumped over. Ooh, thumbtacks. Those are dangerous. Don't step on those. All right. Oh, there's a snail behind us. Hey, we got a pencil. Now this is a pretty good workout because you'll be moving your arms and legs. Luckily, I think it's only 4 minutes, so you should be okay. All right, too big. We have to collect some other stuff to get a little bigger. We got some caramel, little candies, some soy sauce packets. Salty. All right, keep going. Hey, some strawberries. Too small to pick up a cherry. Okay. Let's just keep moving. Lots of chocolate. Rich in chocolate. Eye drops. Good for whenever you get dry eyes. A chestnut. Okay. Ooh, cookie sandwiches. Yeah. And more cookies. Oh, we're going fast. I'm not paying attention. That's my fault. Strawberry, cherry. Excellent. Oh. Good job, guys. Our Katamari is as big as 26 eye drops. That's pretty big. But we can make it bigger. Let's go. All right. Those little game pieces, I'm not sure the game. It might be Muhong or Mujong. I'm probably saying that wrong. I'm sorry. Keep on rolling. There's a song about that. All right. Keep going. We're picking up dice. Or it's a die because it's a single die. Hey, I think we got a little Nintendo system or something there. Can't pick up the cell phones yet, but we're going to try. And we got 2 memory cards. If you had a PlayStation 1 or 2 back in the day, you used memory cards. And we just picked up some ants. Good, we're cleaning the house up. But then again, these people are messy. If you leave all this stuff on your floor, you should probably clean it. Alright, keep moving. We're going to try to go back up to the top. Oh, okay. We got an energy drink, it looked like. A match. A butterfly. I don't know. There's that snail again. Whoa, we're going backwards. Alright, let's keep going. We just picked up a power strip for a plug-in. We just picked up a mouse. Good job. Keep moving those arms, keep moving those legs. And more chestnuts, some lipstick, a screw. This house is a mess. I can only imagine their backyard. More ants. Hey, we picked up the girly cell phone and the regular cell phone. Cool. Keep going. Batteries. A film. Old school film for your cameras. Hey, we got some nail clippers. Those are pretty big. I wonder if we can get big enough to pick up that bear. Remember, keep moving. Your arms and legs might be getting tired, but you're getting a nice workout in. Hey, we got a bunch of mandarins. Those are healthy too. Love some mandarins. And some kind of dessert and broccoli. All right, I guess. We got 45 seconds left, guys. Oh, he went fast. All right. I don't think we're picking up much more. We look like we got just about everything you can get. Even an orange pill or mandarin pill. Oh, go fast. Keep moving. We're running out of time, but that's okay. Hey, we got green tea in a can. And some more soy sauce. Uh-oh. Let's see if we can climb up this. What are those? Eggplant. We picked up eggplant. Okay. Pretty healthy. Not many people like eggplant from what I know, but I enjoy it. Oh, go fast. And we picked up another mouse. Whew. That's a lot of work. But I think you guys did a great job. Let's see if our star is going to be good enough for the galaxy. All right. 18 centimeters and 8 mil. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. The rest of them are going to be a lot of moving running in place and moving your arms. But thank you for watching. As always, hit the like button or subscribe if you want to see more great content, and I will see you in the next video. Remember to keep on moving. Take care.